is the room of her mother and her sister. This is her classmates. This is her classmates. Charis and Lara. Lara is the most beautiful in our batch, and Charis is the most OA. And I am the
Pangit ugly.
Singer. Oh, go padayon dito sa gawas.
And this is the kuna of his niece named Rohan. What's the name of your niece?
Hoy,
What's the name of your niece?
muna tagiya sa balay, guys. Say, pangalan sa iyong pagumangkon.
I would like to introduce to you the owner of the mansion house, none other than Rohan Pilapil.
What can you say?
Tama kayo guys.
Nasa na guys, baraha. Ato bang ba?
And guys, I want to show you his mother. This is his mother.
What can you say about his mother?
His mother is like an artist.
So
Her
beautiful.
face is like.
This is Justin Lare.
This is his daughter. Sister.
Describe the surroundings.
The surrounding is immaculate. It's very clean and it's very clean. And look at the dog. They are very. What's the name of your dog?
Introduce their monkey. What is the name of their monkey?
Wait, guys.
Hey, this is Divine.
I wanna show you the river. This is the Rohan
This is a very
Pilapil River. So as you can see, there's a lot of branches.
Nagbabaha na yan guys dahil sa walang flood control kinurakot.
Bumabaha kasi. There's a flood control project.
O yun lang guys. Justin, bakit so lonely? Hey darling, why are you lonely there? Pumasok ka dun sa loob. To get inside. Napo ni Jumpy is also very busy. Bye guys, that's all.